Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use PayPal application for beginners. So first of all, what you have to do is download PayPal application. If you're using Android, then what you have to do is simply open Play Store, and in the search bar you have to type in PayPal application and download PayPal from your Play Store. But if you're using an iOS device like an iPhone or iPad, simply open your App Store on your iOS device and search for PayPal and download PayPal application. After you have downloaded PayPal application, you will see PayPal in your app drawer. Simply open PayPal application. Once you open the application, then the application will ask for your email or mobile number, and simply you have to sign in to PayPal application with your credentials, which is your email, mobile number, and then your password. Once you're signed in, you will see this kind of dashboard. Now there are so many different options and features in the PayPal application, but I'll only go through the basics. The first one is linking your preferred payment method. Simply click on the hamburger menu on the top left corner and then select Add Banks and Cards. Now my screen is black because PayPal application doesn't allow me to screen record the sensitive information. Now it is asking me to add bank account, or do I want to add a card in my PayPal. Simply all you have to do is give your bank information, your bank account information to PayPal, and then your bank will be connected to PayPal application. So the benefit of connecting your bank account to PayPal is that whenever someone uses PayPal to send you money, simply with a click of a button, your money will be transferred into your bank account immediately without you doing anything. You can also use PayPal to send and receive money. So on the dashboard of PayPal application, you will see send/request button. If you click on it, and then PayPal will list all of your contacts that are also available on PayPal as well. Simply click on their name, but before clicking you have to decide whether you want to send them money or you want to request money from them. So if I want to request money from a specific user, simply I will click on their name and I will enter the amount of money that I want to request. Then they will get a notification on their PayPal application, and if they approve my request, I will instantly receive money with the help of PayPal. And there are also so many different features, ton of different features in PayPal which you can also explore. I can also tell you one, which is paypal.me. If you go to the website called paypal.me, it will open PayPal website. It will give you this option to create your paypal.me link. If I click on it, as I have already got my link, I can get personalized link from PayPal with my username in it. For instance, this is my personalized PayPal link, and I can send this link, and if anyone opens this link, they can directly send me money with the help of this link on PayPal. So that's basically how you can use PayPal application. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.